at our second meeting, I don't know if you remember all the way back then, I asked you what was your role as an ideal husband, as an ideal wife. What was your role? And right away you talked about the kind of love that supports and that cares for one another, that truly lifts the other person up. So not a love that's simply self-interested, that, hey, this is a really nice thing and I love you because you make me happy. But instead, I love you and I want what's best for you, and I'm going to be there for you to make sure that you get it.
I, Tim, take you, Katie, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
I, Katie, take you, Tim, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
Cause honey, you're so who can never grow old, it's evergreen. Yes, I'm lucky and I don't know why. We got a good thing going, yes, a good thing going. And it's easy to start letting things slide. Let's keep a good thing going. We got a good thing going. Yeah. Love is the hurting and the healing too. Love is the fire burning us right through. Love is the choir singing hallelujah.